Hey guys, how's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. So the biggest question that is going on right now is Bitcoin going to $10,000? Go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video to go ahead and find out. I do want to go ahead and say anything I do talk about or say in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. So let's go ahead and answer that question for you. Is Bitcoin going to 17 or 10,000? So this is incredible, guys. Not very surprising at all, at least to me. I check my Twitter account and I see everybody going crazy about Bitcoin taking a 10,000. The bears are happy. They're like celebrating, wishing and praying that it does dump to 10,000. But guess what? They are not even shorting the market themselves. They are just as confused as you and I are at the moment. But let me go ahead and keep you guys aware of what's going on in the market. So I really wanted to go ahead and do this, this emergency video of Bitcoin. I usually never just make a video strictly on BTC because a lot of my people that follow this channel, or what I really strictly do is talk about smaller cap coins. But we have to go ahead and keep into consideration that Bitcoin is a massive influence into the market. Not saying all the time, but for the most part, Bitcoin is a massive influence into the projects that we are currently in. So I did wanted to go ahead and make this video. So let's go ahead and talk about what's really going on in the market. And before you guys begin to freak out, let me go ahead and tell you this. We are still very bullish, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the indicators of why we are. And if even $10,000 Bitcoin is even a possibility, and you guys could probably already know from my response because I'm laughing and I'm not freaking out like half the people are right now on Twitter. They're all getting scared. I'm sure they're all filling up their McDonald's applications right now, getting ready for that. But let's go ahead and look into the market. And let me go ahead and show you my opinion of what I think is happening right now in the market and what I really see that it's going to happen in the future. I've been calling this dump multiple times. I am not surprised. I am not impressed with what's going on. So let's go ahead and look at the daily chart. As you can go ahead and tell, we did break support. Everyone's talking about this massive, head and shoulders pattern forming right now. That's the reason why they're talking about, a 20,000, 17,000, even a 10,000. I heard today. I almost had I had a little discussion with someone on Telegram regarding a $10,000 Bitcoin. Let me go ahead and tell you guys, $10,000 Bitcoin is not going to happen. I think that run is already out the door and is nowhere going to be found anytime soon. I really don't think 10,000 will ever come back. And if it does, buy the dip, not financial advice. So we did break support, definitely. Right now, we are holding at the second support, which is what I'm currently looking at right now. This line right here is the second support, which is around strongest is around $37,000. So I really believe we won't see anything lower than $37,000 in my opinion. If we do go ahead and break this 37,000, do expect about 29,000. That does seem like another third support down here around the 30,000 area, which is about 29,000. That I think no more lower than 29,000 we should go. I definitely wouldn't want to see $29,000 because that just means the market's going to take a lot longer to do its thing. And as I predicted, and I've been telling everybody, I really do think the market's going to go ahead and continue to be red to the end of the month of January, leading into February. We should be beginning to see that reversal, but don't expect the market to begin to do that reversal till mid-February. Early March is when we should go ahead and be seeing that trend back up. So yeah, that's pretty much my opinion right now. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hourly chart, see what's going on. And like I said, guys, what's really going on right now, this is the big dip that's going on for a massive opportunity to the upside. And I've been talking about this dip multiple times. And if you guys are not following my Twitter, you guys definitely should go ahead and follow my Twitter because I do tweet there a lot and I let you guys be aware of what's going on in the market. You guys got to be very careful with who you guys listen to in this market of crypto. A lot of these influencers are very clueless and running a lot on emotion and have no clue what's going on in the market. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to go ahead and educate you guys and go ahead and help you guys stay calm during such a market like this. You know, we've been in this market, a red market, for quite a while, about 3 months. We're very delayed to the market right now. So this is what the 4 hourly chart looks like. Definitely a lot of manipulation going on here. It's just so obvious. People continue to get wrecked going long. As you could tell, we ended up breaking up, and then we should have been seen today as an upside, but there was um, that manipulation going on there, that they obviously wrecked everybody with stop losses and massive leverage long. So you know, people continue to get wrecked. They don't understand, and obviously we know who's in control there. The whales are, and I think this is going to be the final dip. And if we don't, we might see 29,000, but I really don't think that's going to happen. But if we do, don't be surprised. That could be the last drop, but I think we should be going green very soon. So let's go ahead and switch over to the weekly, see how that's looking like. As you can tell, the daily's not looking bad at all. I don't know why people are overreacting like always. Market's looking very healthy, and there's going to be proof right here. This is the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and if you guys are not aware with this chart has been pretty much been on the rise with everything going on in the market in the previous cycles back in 2014. Usually when it tops off, it breaks over the red area, which is the maximum bubble territory. So it happened back in 2014, back in the 2018 or 2017 jump. And as you guys can tell, this is the current jump we're in right now. We haven't even hit the bull market yet. We've literally been in nothing but consolidation and bearish. Like we've been, and I don't want to say bearish, but we've been nothing like a straight bear market for the past 3 months. Like I would call that a bear market. You know, we're already 3 months delay of the bull market. We should have been up 3 months ago. We should have already been with our bags full right now in the moon. But with everything going on in the world, as you guys can tell, there's been a lot of fear of what's going on with inflation, which, by the way, if inflation is rising, you guys should be buying assets that appreciate, like cryptocurrencies, gold and silver, and any other asset that you guys really believe in that will go up in value. But yeah, stock market continues to make new all-time highs. Today, unfortunately, we did end up closing at a red, but like I said, don't worry guys, this chart is still in our favor, and I really do believe Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000 this year. I think that's a very high possibility, and with everything that they're doing in the market, I think even this bull run could go ahead and get extended until July. I never thought I would say that, but I think we might even have like a really nice summer this year with crypto leading to the bull run. Like I said, we might not even see this market trend up anytime soon. Expect mid-February, early March, and possibly leading up all the way to July. We could go ahead and see a massive pump, maybe even on, May. But I really do think there's a possibility summer could be a very great summer this year for all of us, seeing Bitcoin going up to 100,000, and inflation is going to continue to get worse. I am sorry to break it to you guys, but a lot of things are I'm a very positive person, but a lot of things are not going to go ahead and get better in the overall side of the world, okay? And if you guys see the other bright side to it, we're, as long as you're in an appreciating asset and you're in a market that that's going to continue to go up, this market's going to continue to go up. Mark my words, guys. This easy money getting pumped into the market is not going to be over. The stock market is going to go ahead and continue to get pumped because of inflation is going to increase every month, okay? Mark my words, inflation is not going to be leaving anytime soon. The talk about the Federal Reserve, fixing inflation is the biggest joke in history. It is not going to get fixed anytime soon, because if they do fix inflation, guess what's going to happen? Expect a massive crash in the whole economical market. Once they do decide to go ahead and fix inflation, the whole market is going to crash. Right now, they are still going to go ahead and continue to entertain the market, pump as much easy money as they can into the market. And keep in mind, you know where all that money goes to? It goes to the stock market and the crypto market. And from the stock market, it goes over to the crypto market. So if you guys are not aware, a lot of good things are going on into the crypto market, and this easy money is going to continue to get pumped and going to get inflated, which is going to cause these markets to rise up in the long run. So please, guys, don't get scared. I understand where you guys are going through. It's been a very scary, interesting, almost hopeless bull run. It's just been a lot of confusion going out there, and it's a lot more confusing when you begin to hear these influencers in the space that don't know nothing. So check this out, guys. So this is the MMRI. So this is the Manarino Market Risk Indicator. This indicator indicates how the stock market's doing, and it gives you an overall view of how people are reacting. So how does this benefit us? Because crypto tends to move along with the stock market. So whatever the stock market is doing, if the stock market is doing good, crypto is going to do good. If the stock market goes down, then that's how we could go ahead and indicate that this is a crash. I've been in the traditional market for about over 4 years now, so I have a lot of inside information of how the stock market moves, and that's how I'm able to relate and use this information over to the crypto market, and makes my technical analysis and my predictions be a lot more on point. So the moderate risk right now, it's almost to the low. So this means you guys shouldn't worry. You guys just go ahead and continue to buy the dips, and not financial advice, but like I said, go ahead and make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. I do go ahead and stay up to date right there, and I allow everybody know what's going on in the market. This is my only Twitter that I have, so go ahead and feel free to follow me. Go ahead and message me, and then you guys will go ahead and see my recent tweets of what I've been talking about the market going to do what it's been doing. Like, I've been talking about this, and so check this out. I did this on the 19th. We're getting ready for an upside, but I don't see hope anytime soon. Expect red for the whole month leading to February. We should see a reversal. Hold on tight. So we should probably see mid-February to March going up. Let's see what other tweet I called out right now. And this is very good. The index. Let's see what we can find right now in the index. So there is extreme fear right now, and that's probably going to go ahead and go up a lot higher after tomorrow, when this video releases on a Friday. So I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated. I do not want to make this video any longer. I know we usually talk about other projects like altcoins, but go ahead and feel free to go ahead and reach out. Join the Discord down below. It is currently free, but we are going to make it to be for only premium members only, which there is going to be a price to that in the very coming time. So go ahead and stay tuned. Join right now while it's free. Let's go ahead and chat it up, and then hit me up on Twitter. Let's network. And if you guys have a project you guys want me to go ahead and talk about or do some TA, go ahead and drop it down in the comments down below, and I'll go ahead and get that done for you guys. All right, I just want to go ahead and say that I appreciate everybody, and I'm very grateful for all of you guys. Continue to show support and continue to go ahead and comment. Till later.
What is that? It's red and gooey, and it did it just move? No, get away from me! Ah!